Hello everyone and welcome. And today we're going to be doing a very quick review on Powerin. Now Powerin is really great. That's right. It's really good and it's also available for Twitter. Now what it does is personalized tune for human comments. By engaging automatically with a qualified audience, you capture the attention of ideal prospects, enhancing your presence and credibility, create meaningful interactions, and break the ice with your future clients from the very first comment. So it helps you with you can turn on and off emoji, turn on and off hashtag, history, manual comment approval, export comments in CSV, target language, and personalized too. You can get a bunch of tutorials if you want to become a pro on how to start the work or smart comment account setting, everything you need. You can even have to open a YouTube channel, click here, you get it. So what are we actually talking about? You see, Power In is used to automate comments also on LinkedIn and Twitter. To do this, you can get started for 5-day free trial if you want. So Power In is really good. Now talk about the pricing, talk about the keywords. So when people comment automatically on LinkedIn posts, you can comment automatically on LinkedIn posts that contain specific keywords, thereby creating new connection and expand your network. Be active. Be visible to active players in your market that will never have noticed on your own. Target up to 3 keywords. Use bowling. Comment 50 times a day with keywords, or 150 times 50 comments per day. You see? So all of this is using Power In. It's really good. Like I said, you can get noticed by targeted creators also. By creators. Comment in less than 15 minutes, bring value, and you can target up to 50 creators. You get smart, targeted, and secure commenting features like instant engagement, occasional time zone targeting, all language supported, and comments will be in the same language as the posts. So it is secure. Power In stays within LinkedIn limits. Your account won't be blocked or restricted. Sensitive content protection, personalized tone that reflects your style. So it will comment for you as if it were you, but better. So like we said, it's really great. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try. You can even book a demo if you're not too sure.